Yes, I think he's going to present his paper, which is about role of acids in the degradation of alkanolamine during CO2 and h2s removal process. You have 15 minutes.
Good evening, Honorable Chairman and audience. I'm Mr. Mohammed Sadiq, I'm an engineering student, engineering Malaysia. The title of my presentation is title of acid in the degradation process of alkanolamine in the present situation, the natural gas reduction process and the global and the treatment process, most from the university and so this is we should conclude the significant reduction process, and for the absorption process of fluid normally we use amine solution, but the amine solution react with CO2 and h2s, and this solution contaminated by these acid gases. And during the process, the amine solution degraded and it produces acid. Also, it creates the anomalous problem in the system, and it creates many problems. For example, the plant. So, the process of my solution is the introduction as the commercial reaction of the amine system, reaction route of elements in amine system with the review. This is basically a review paper. Actually now I am working on the amine degradation and CO2 and H2s process. I know KED is also pardon me any damage. This is interaction. This is the absorption and its breaking system itself has not been an absorption process in this condition of an loss is the issue of the okay. This is the amine system, is typically amine-based absorption and shaping system. This is the absorber and this is shaper. Normally, in the two gas treatment process or natural gas purification process, we passes the sour gas in this unit, and then this solution passes in the stripper. Here, this temperature is 1.8 to 120 degrees Celsius temperature, and in absorber, this temperature range is 6 to 40 to 60 degrees Celsius temperature. Normally, we gauge the pure gas from the upper point of the absorber, but the problem is that this amine solution, that in the absorber and the stripper we use amine, different amine solutions, but the temperature and this sour gas component react with this amine solution and is highly contaminated. As a result, it highly corrode the pipeline of this industry. Also, it reduces the plant efficiency, including the solvent absorption capacity. So this is the problem. The degradation in this process, so many acids form in the state, and this is create stable salt or stable amine salt, and this is mainly the main focus of my study is the identification of the degradation products by acids, including inorganic and organic acids. This is the typical normally we use monoethanolamine, diethanolamine, trioethanolamine, and diisopropanolamine, methyl diethanolamine. It is basically the primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine. But here is the things, normally we use the aliphatic alkanol amines, but here there is no aromatic alkanol amines, so this is completely, there is no inflammation actually in the ocean eraser, so the researchers never use alkanol amines, but this aromatic amines, for example, it has a good absorption capacity. So in the future we should actually use this solvent to reduce the degradation product induced by organic or inorganic acids. This is the estimated contributions of amine losses. Actually, this is the data. We use the amine solution and we have the information, the degradation, the percentage of degradation is 90%. The total solvent, we use the amine solvent, and by degradation 90% solution is contaminated and waste by these acids. So we should control this degradation by acid. Degradation issue. Actually, if we control the degradation, we manage this problem, then this possible outcome will come out. And this is actually issue for study. Objective actually is the insight of latest series range of acid degradation and findings of some research graph of acid degradation. This is the reaction actually how the acid formed in the absorption process. For example, I am showing here only the monoethanolamine. This is NMA. I already showed the three types of amine used in this process. This is primary, secondary, and tertiary. So just I am showing here the NMA. This is primary amine. This amine is the actual process. The aldehyde, the acid, the ketone. So here we have the acetic acid and the formic acid, this glycolic acid, that oxalic acid. So these acids basically react with the amine or water or the system chemical, and is produce different types of salt. For example, the hydroxyethyl amine or hydroxyl oxaloacetic, etc. So this acid, so many acid produces in this process, and this is creates enormous problem. So how we can control this amine degradation by different types of acid? This is the thing, and this is the planning of our research. I'm showing here actually this is the aldehyde because we are using alkanolamine, but aldehyde is the example of aldehyde because everything is degraded and once it's produced aldehyde. So how aldehyde